Mga kapuso, ning hapuna atong ila-ilaho ng Pinay nars kinsa lumad ka taga Manila ug nakabase na karon sa United Kingdom. Kinsa usa sa mga George Cross recipients sa UK. Ug nahimamat usab niini si Queen Elizabeth. Siya usab ang labing unang Pinay nga naka-injected COVID vaccine sa mga pasyente. Let's all welcome May Parsons. Good afternoon, May, and welcome sa Balitang Bisdak. Para sa benefits sa atong mga viewers, can you please introduce yourself to us?
Thank you for having me today. Good morning, everybody. Ako po si May Parsons. I've done the first COVID-19 vaccination outside of clinical trials. I did it with Maggie Keenan on December of 2020. I also received the George Cross on behalf of NHS England, representing NHS England from the late Queen Elizabeth.
How do you feel that you are hailed as the first Filipino to inject COVID-19 vaccines to patients, and what motivated you to do so?
I was really looking forward to the vaccine because nursing is scientific, it's evidence-based practice.
How do you feel that you've received a lot of awards such as the George Cross recipient, DOT Award, and even meeting Queen Elizabeth?
Pag nakakatanggap po ako ng ganitong recognition or ng award, is first and foremost, I'm representing the Filipinos. Ang sinasabi ko po palagi, my award is the whole of Filipinos award. Kasi ang sa akin, kahit po saan ako mapunta, ay nakakatanggap ako ng award, I bring all the Filipinos with me.
And what is your advice to all the Filipino nurses?
I'm really grateful for you. Thank you for all you do. Continue to be a beacon of hope to our people. And again, nursing is a really difficult profession, but you are still here. You are loved. You are valued.
Ug daghan kayong salamat kanimo, May Parsons. Ug mabuhay ka.